Medical experts are warning of an increase in hand, foot, and mouth disease cases, especially in younger children. As such, persons are advised to ensure that their surroundings are sanitized at all times. Shamala Pullen tells us more in the health report.
Hand, foot, and mouth disease is caused by a set of viruses. It generally presents with blisters on the hands, feet, and mouth, sometimes around the elbows and buttocks. The condition is seen especially in children under 5 years of age.
It tends to happen in places like daycare and school setting where there are a lot of young children, or in settings where there are a lot of diaper changes. Basically, how the virus is spread is through respiratory droplet. So cough and sneeze transmit the virus, as well as in some cases it's spread through what we call the fecal-oral route, meaning from the feces.
Hand, foot, and mouth disease is quite common around this time of the year. There is no specific treatment for the condition as it usually runs its course. Children who are affected will get better within a week.
The paracetamol is fine for the pain. Also, because of the pain of those ulcers within the mouth, the children tend not to want to eat or swallow, and they tend to have a lot of drooling when they do contract hand, foot, and mouth. And so it's important to keep them hydrated during that time and to relieve that pain so that they can continue to drink and hydrate themselves. So the parents will have to pay keen attention to that.
Dr. Morris also said that good sanitary practices where persons operate is important in preventing this condition.
So cleaning of the hands frequently and properly, as well as ensuring proper disposal of waste. And so in daycare or in the home, once it is that you're going to handle anything to do with food, then you clean the hands before, clean properly, that bottles and utensils are not shared amongst children.
With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen wishing you good health.